Israel says 4 of its soldiers have been killed in a Hizbullah drone attack on an army base in northern Israel. More than 60 others were wounded, with the injured rushed to 8 different hospitals. Hizbullah said it targeted the camp using a swarm of drones. In the last hour, the 4 IDF soldiers have been named as Sergeant Omri Tamari, Sergeant Yosef Heb, Sergeant Yoav Agmon and Sergeant Alon Amite. All 4 were just 19 years old and training at the Golani training base in the Golani Brigade. Hizbullah said its attack on the camp in the northern city of Binyamina was in retaliation after strikes in Beirut killed 22 people on Thursday. Our International Affairs editor Dominic Waghorn reports from Hadira.
Minutes after the drone came in, chaos and casualties as soldiers raced to help the injured. There were so many hurt, they were sent to 8 hospitals. At least 60 soldiers injured, several seriously, and 4 killed. This is where they'd been gathered to eat their evening meal when the drone struck. Somehow Hezbollah had penetrated Israel's defences without warning and hit the military base at one of its busiest times. After 2 weeks of success and steady progress in its invasion of Lebanon, this is a major blow for Israel, a huge security breach and the biggest mass casualty event in Israel itself since the war began. The fallout from all of this will be considerable. 4
IDF soldiers have been named as Sergeant Omri Tamari, Sergeant Yosef Heb, Sergeant Yoav Agmon and Sergeant Alon Amite. All 4 were just 19 years old and training at the Golani training base in the Golani Brigade.